Hi, I'm Patrick. Let's recap on everything that's happened this year.
We had an engineering competition to see who could build the tallest tower.
We built marble roller coasters.
We designed and built some water turbine pulley systems.
We finished our project on the sun's path when it reached zenith on no Saturday.
What are they doing now? What are they doing right
They're
now?
doing like the symbol of our class. So we are what you are would college 100. So they go VC 100. So VC 100. Yeah.
We made modules of chromosomes pairs to help understand the process of meiosis.
We learned how physics helps us play basketball.
We tried to bend laser light around corners using reflection.
What speech are the worst, man? Why can't we just call people directly?
I know, right? He said he was going to the library. Why not just say like, I'm going to the library, right?
Yeah.
It's like we're playing a game, but with grammar rules nobody understands.
Seriously, man, if I have to change one more thing, I'm gonna... Conditional? They're killing me. Like, you get one more, my grade really worse. Except I paid attention to my class. Was it that bad? Was it that bad? How do you say it, bro? We learned first conditional, second conditional, third conditional. How about fourth conditional? Appears my brain will be explode, bro.
We really enjoy stealing teachable phones to take selfie.
And that's all for today. See you next year.